What I can tell the people of Meru is that we have a chance to make a change. We have a chance to look at deliverables, and we have a chance to actually steer the conversation. There are a lot of young people in Meru, because I think our population is almost 60% young people, and their vision for tomorrow will be shaped today. And that is why schooling to them is key. That is why basic amenities is essential. That is why the supply of being beneficiaries of government programs is very key. The people are discussing about acceptability of projects in the area. We have projects like Mugaa sewerage that have come up. We have stalled a project that has taken too long to be completed, like Meru sewerage. We are chasing other projects like in the region, Mugaa, water supply and sanitation. And also we are looking at other underground sources for areas like Gembe North, Gembe Central, whereby we have no surface running water. And these are some of the issues the members of this Chama self-help group have brought up. And these are development-oriented discussions. And that is what we are all about. Discussions on development, discussions on competence, discussions on how to actually be participants in government development projects. I have been encouraged by the need to have concise, decisive, and actually unifying agenda among the people. They have asked for unity amongst ourselves. They have asked for unity amongst our elected leaders. They have asked for unity to ensure that we progress the great county of Meru forward. That cannot happen if we stand divided. So I am calling on all of us to actually embrace projects, to embrace development, to embrace all things that contribute to the social and economic well-being of the region. And that is actually the conversation we're supposed to be having. I am a professional. Gauge me on my competence. Gauge me on my performance. And trust you me, the people of Meru are watching. The young people are watching. And they have seen my competence. And remember, a tree without fruits is never pelted with stones. Thank you so much.